Will Vitello, home tech expert. On my way to help out another wonderful family. You know, 30%. 30%. What do I mean by 30%? Well, about 30% of the jobs that I do are fix-it job or takeover jobs. Either Best Buy did it, a handyman did it, or in this particular case, an actual high-end audio video company did the job initially a few years ago, and the family gave me a call and they said, hey, you know what, Will, we have this camera, security camera system and DVR that for the last couple of years, you know, we're just not happy with it. It's not easy to use and we just don't like it. So we're gonna go there and we're gonna rip out this security camera system and we're gonna simplify it. We're gonna install a Ring camera floodlight system and Ring video doorbell along with it. Stay tuned. So first, let's take a look at the house with the original camera system that they have, which is actually two different camera apps, which is very confusing. So for the first app, they have this dome camera system connected with an NVR, and it's a Luma brand dome camera system. And at the front door, they have a famous Ring video doorbell. And they said, hey, you know what, Will? We noticed that the Ring video doorbell app is way easier to use. And then so since I'm upgrading everything else, I might as well upgrade the Ring video doorbell at the front door. So they have the OG first generation Ring video doorbell, and I'm upgrading it to the second generation hardwired Ring video doorbell. But in doing so, I saw that the voltage was a little bit low and the previous company never upgraded the transformer. So we're gonna take care of that. And the new Ring video doorbell comes with a silver frame that matches beautifully with the front door hardware, because you'll notice that the deadbolt and the door handle is a silver satin nickel. And I also put the video doorbell on an angle so that way it better catches people as they're walking up to the front door. All right, now that we got the front door looking awesome, it's time to install these Ring Pro model camera floodlights all over the house. You know, as I'm taking off these dome cameras, I'm reminded that the family did say that the dome cameras, these Luma cameras, looked absolutely horrible during the night. The night vision recording was absolutely useless for them. So with the Ring floodlight cameras, the great thing about it is that it has those 2000 lumen LED lights on there, so the color night vision is just going to be way superior, and it also records audio and video. And then besides that, they have sirens built in that can be activated in order to be able to deter people that are not supposed to be there. You know, whenever I do an upgrade job or I do a fix-it job like this, and I'm ripping out this type of equipment, it's such a shame, you know, because it's a big waste. You know, the company really oversold the family. This type of system, I mean, I don't know, you would find it at a supermarket maybe or something like that. But when you're trying to do a smart home, you want it clean. You want it simple to be able to use for the whole family. And also with the Ring floodlight cameras, having those 2000 lumen lights, it's just gonna be great in order to be able to illuminate everything for the camera footage, and also to be able to just light up around the house during the evening, which is absolutely awesome. And with the Ring, they have a cloud DVR subscription service where you can record audio and video for up to 60 days for unlimited amount of cameras all over the house. And as you can see, I did put them all over the house. So I have Ring Pro model floodlight cameras at the side gate, at the driveway. I have a couple of them in the backyard. I have another one on the other side of the house, besides the Ring video doorbell at the front door. So they're gonna get coverage all over the place. And as you can see, they're remodeling the backyard with redoing the pool, redoing the jacuzzi, doing the barbecue grill area. So this house is gonna be looking great by the time it's done. All right, I am so excited, so pumped up, because why? I love happy families. You know, when technology is easy to use, that's what you want. So time to find the next family. If you want to get something done like this at your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com, and click on schedule a free estimate. Until next time.